Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdal Ramadan.
It's me, Yusup Ramadan. It's my Rizki Ramadan.
We are a group of Ramadan clan, and we will tell about how to use BioGlass. Okay, check it out.
What's up, bro? You didn't seem well. Are you sick?
I am last night, but a triple night.
You should use BioGlass every day.
I don't have BioGlass.
Okay, you can follow me, and I will show you where is Rizki now, and you can bring to Rizki. Okay, follow me.
Yes.
Hi, bro. What are you doing?
I'm seeking.
Yeah, sure.
Can I borrow BioGlass?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. How to use BioGlass?
First of all, take a BioGlass, put on the water, and mix a BioGlass and water. Yeah.
Yes.
And then drink it was mixed. As for to make BioGlass and water be ion.
Okay. Before you drink it, you can you could wait for a minute, and then you can drink.
Okay, so you can drink it. Let's drink.
Yes. Thank you.
We finish?
Yes.
Okay, please. Thank you. And finish.